Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Adding a token to your Phantom wallet is a relatively simple process, but it requires you to have the token contract address handy. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to add a token to Phantom wallet. So let's get started. First, open Phantom wallet or launch the Phantom wallet application on a device and make sure you are logged into your wallet. Then once inside the wallet, look for the settings or option menu, and inside the option menu, tap on the wallet. Then inside the wallet, tap on this arrow menu available here. Then here you can see select token or add token option available. Look for option like add token or custom token. This is where you will be able to add a token by providing its contract address. And you'll be prompted to enter the contract address of the token you want to add. After entering the contract address, the wallet will attempt to fetch the token details automatically, such as the token symbols and decimals. Review the information to ensure it is correct. So that is it, guys. Remember, adding a token to your wallet does not automatically mean you own that token. You'll still need to have the tokens in your wallet address to be able to see and manage them within the wallet interface. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.